Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see the question. It is saying that construct a minimal DFA which accepts set of offspring over A comma B which starts with A and ends with B. Means you have to construct a minimal DFA for a language which is containing set of offspring starting with A and ends with B. So in this language it is containing like AB. It starts with A, ends with B. A, then again any number of A, then B. And after getting B, again A, B, B, then any number of B. Starts with A, ends with B. Now A, B, A, B, A, B. See, it starts with A and ends with B. So for this kind of language, we can directly construct a minimal DFA. How we will do? Initial step by getting A, it will went to another step. But if we get B, we will go to date step. Why? Because it has started with B. So if I started with B, then if I are getting anything, B there. So initial state by getting A went there. For this state, we have given the transition for AB. Now where is that state? One part is that it has started with A. This state is saying that you have started with A. If you will get B, accept B. So it will assume that this B is the last B and it ends with B, so you have accepted it. So Q final. Now, if after getting one B, if you will get any number of again B, then again it ends with B only. So you will keep a loop of B. Now here you got A first step. Now again if you are getting any number of like this A, then any number of A. So we have to wait for B. So you will remain there and wait whether we are getting a B or not. If you are getting after reaching Q and if you are getting A, you be there, getting a there only. So see here for AB we have given, here AB I have given. So Q1 by getting A, it will be wait there for B. Now if getting B, it is assuming that this may be the last B. So it is assuming, so it's going there, you have accepted. Now after getting B, you are there only. Now if you get A, now it's no more ending with, like you are getting A, then any number of B, then you got again A, then again any number of A, then again you got B, like this kind of a string. So when you got B, you are here. Now if you are getting A, now it's no more ending with B, so you will come back here because you will again wait for B. So you should come here by getting A, then any number of A B there. If you are getting B, then accept it. So Q final, if you are getting A, now it's no more ending with B, so you come back here and any number of A, then B accepted. See, for every state I have given the transition for A and B. So this is a minimal DFA for this language. Now by another way also, in exam you should follow this procedure. So since concatenation of a language and concatenation of 2 DFA is in our syllabus, so by using this language I will introduce that topic. Okay.